Right now, there are people running completely faceless TikTok pages that nobody would ever guess are making any serious money. No face, no voice, no personal brand, just AI generated content posted consistently in the right niche. And a lot of these pages are pulling in close to $10,000 a month and sometimes more. Not from brand deals, not from sponsors either, just from views. And what makes this even more interesting is that these niches aren't just good for the Creator Rewards program. Using these types of viral niches are some of the fastest ways that I've personally used to grow brand new accounts from 0 to 5,000 followers to join TikTok Shop Affiliate. And that's where a completely separate income stream kicks in on top of everything else. I've watched tons of my students use a variety of AI niches just like this inside of my community Creator Labs Premium to hit 5,000 followers in just a few days to therefore start earning commissions through TikTok Shop Affiliate as well. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 faceless AI niches that are covering all of this right now. Every single one of these niches are completely 100% generated with AI. And for each one, I'm going to show you what the content looks like, why the algorithm is actually pushing it, and exactly how people are monetizing it. But make sure you watch this entire video because not all of these niches are completely equal. Some are going to surprise you, and the ones at the end people don't even realize exist yet. All right, first up, we've got AI ASMR, and you guys have probably seen this niche before, but it's relatively new. Obviously, everything is completely made with AI, like I already mentioned, and these videos are specifically made using Kling 3.0. You can basically create any style of video with that AI tool, and most of the time, AI niches will pull in the same audience that already likes watching this content, and when TikTok knows that you can pull in the same audience and they'll watch through and give you good metrics every single time, TikTok technically clarifies it as specialized audience. And when you have a specialized audience, you get a lot of additional rewards. So I would not be surprised if this account is not only printing from his RPM, which RPM is just what you're getting paid per 1,000 views. So if you get 1 million views with a $2 RPM, you make $2,000. And on top of that, now TikTok has added additional rewards. So he's basically getting double income stream from this. So let's take a look at one of these recent videos that got 1.8 million views from this. By the way, I forgot to mention the reason I said you can use Kling 3.0 to make these videos is because you can. Kling 3.0 is one of the newer tools, so you'll get better generations. But as you can see, you can also make these videos with basically any other tool, including Google VO3, which is what this person used. So if you wanted to just replicate this style exactly, not really have anything added onto it, and wanted to focus on just doing it exactly like this, you could just use Google VO3 just like this person is right here. But I'm not gonna lie, the credits for Kling 3.0 are slightly cheaper. But as you guys can see, just a minute long, which means he's making money through the Creator Rewards program, and it's the most simple concept ever. If you guys have ever played Plants vs. Zombies on your mobile phone, these are all different like plants from that game, and when they cut them open, they have like the effects of what these characters in that game do. Like as we saw with this thing right here, it blew up after it cut through because that's what it does in the game. If you step on it, it's like a landmine. ASMR AI with like a bunch of random items, you want to actually make it something people can recognize and relate to. Like people recognize and relate and just enjoy this content more in general because it actually relates to something like a video game. And that's what this entire account is. It's all Plants vs. Zombies things until we go down here. I'm not sure where these are from. I would correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think this is from Plants vs. Zombies. I think this might be Clash Royale or something, but everything else looks like it's from Plants vs. Zombies. So I'm probably wrong and these probably are from it. But yeah, AI ASMR, put your own twist on it, make it about something that people can relate to, and start printing in the Creator Rewards. Next up, we have AI POVs. POV, you were a teenager in the 2004s. He didn't even spell the pronunciation. He didn't even make the grammar right. POV, you a teenager in the 2004s. So you can literally mess up your entire grammar, make people not understand the sentence. Who knows, maybe it even made people stay on the video for longer. I don't know. But as you can see, long story short, the captions don't even have to be pronounced grammatically correct, and you can still pull millions of views on one single video just because of how powerful the niche actually is. So let's take a look at this.
Honey, hurry up. You will be too late for the bus.
I know, Mom. 2 more minutes. Man, I love this song. Wow, guys, check this out. Yo guys, did you see that trick? This one was the loudest so far. This is the funniest episode ever. Trick or treat, everyone. Yes, guys, one more pose. We are almost done. Waited so long for the second movie. So which cards can you offer me in return? Let's see who is online right now. Man, I could get used to this.
So as you can see, this video is in the Creator Rewards program and they are monetizing from it because it's just over a minute long, and your content inside of the Creator Rewards program actually has to be over a minute long for it to monetize. And this is the exact style that you would want to generate with Kling 3.0. Not only can it do things like AI ASMR, but this is what it's specialized to do. Basically generate any certain scene with sound effects. And then if you heard the voiceover, that was just generated with 11 Labs. But yeah, as you can see, 1.5 million views, 7.2, 7.8, 3.8, another 500K, million, 700K, 500K. I don't see one video on here, and this account only has like less than 30 videos. I don't see one video on here that is less than 10,000 views. That's all I really gotta say. Next up, this one is similar to the AI POV style, but it's like AI POV of discovering like objects in an unknown place. I've already done a video tutorial on how to make this content specifically, and it was specifically for this niche with cartoon characters. So like it would be this type of style, but flashlight would be on Lightning McQueen or like something from an old cartoon. Exactly like this. This is the beginning of the video. I didn't even realize, but this is the cat from Tom and Jerry. So let's just take a look at this video. As you can see, it's literally just Tom and Jerry characters. So like I said, once again, don't just make it about random objects with this AI style. Make it about things that people are already familiar with and people already can relate to and comment about. Because as you can see, people are saying they're just sleeping, right? As if they're not dead, right? Because of how old that cartoon is. I miss my favorite show, and a whole bunch of other comments talking about the same type of thing. Next up, I've already done a tutorial for this style of content as well, but as you can see, 6th video on the account, actually the first one in this niche on this account, is already at 63,000 views, and I believe this is a pre-monetized account, so somebody just bought this account. That's why there's a bunch of old videos on it. And 2 days ago, this video is already at 60,000 views, and obviously there's way more viral videos in this exact niche, but I'm just specifically using this account as an example because usually it takes a lot of time to re-niche your account, but with a niche this good, when your quality is there, TikTok will know who to push this specific video to because it's such a broad niche. And people just love this AI content because if we look at other accounts, just go search up AI fruit characters or AI food characters on TikTok and just look at all the accounts. A majority of the ones you'll see at the top are easily all getting over 20 million views a month. So let's just take a look at this first video that this account posted with this niche.
We already have 3 kids that look just like you. If this new baby is a mango again, I am leaving you and getting a divorce right now.
Please don't say that. I can't control how the baby looks. I love our kids and I love you too. Ah, the baby is coming. Garlic, help me. It hurts so much.
Are you kidding me? Right now? Fine. Get in the car and don't mess up my seats.
Ah, please, Garlic.
I'm taking you to the hospital, but I warned you. If this baby is another mango, I am done with you.
Please, just drive. I can't take this anymore.
He is a beautiful baby boy. He looks just like his brother.
Once again, I've already done a specific tutorial for how to make these, so I'll also have that video down below in the description. But yeah, not only is this niche viral because obviously it's gonna go viral when it's talking broccoli and talking fruit characters, but it's also controversial stories. So it will get your videos a lot of comments. It'll get people asking for part 2s. Especially if you leave them on a cliffhanger like this video does. And if you really want to take it to a next step, incorporate a few engagement CTAs. If you don't know what that is, join the free community down below in the description. I have an entire free course going over that. But yeah, overall, great niche to get on. Last but not least, I have done another tutorial for this niche as well because I'm not going to do tutorials for you guys for niches that I don't think work. This niche is another one on this list because I am very bullish on this niche. And if you don't know what bullish means, it's a trading term for going up or continuing to go viral. Let's just take a look.
A man kept seeing someone standing in his neighbor's window every night, always in the same spot, never moving. He thought maybe it was a mannequin, but something felt wrong. One evening he decided to knock on the door and ask about it. His neighbor answered, looking confused about the complaint. The man pointed at the window. The figure was still there, perfectly still. They both walked inside together to check the room. The room was completely empty. Just furniture, shadows, and an old mirror. His neighbor laughed it off as a reflection or some trick of light. The man apologized for wasting his time and went home, but that night he saw it again. Same window, same exact position. He grabbed his binoculars this time to get a better look. That's when he noticed something that made his blood run cold. The figure was wearing the exact same clothes his neighbor had on earlier that day. The same shirt, the same pants. Everything matched perfectly, and the figure was staring directly back at him through the binoculars. Not blinking, not moving, just staring. He called the police immediately. When officers arrived, they made him come to the neighbor's house. What they showed him made him wish he never looked through that window.
Now these niches will also get you a higher additional rewards because this is a content style that not very many accounts are actually being able to do right now. And once again, you can do this with Kling 3.0 or you can do it with basically any video generation model because there's no voiceover required in these clips. You're just using an 11 Labs voiceover and making these images and turning them into videos. Yeah, overall, insanely easy, insanely high ROI. I mean, just some recent wins inside of Creator Labs Premium. We've got Accelerator getting a brand new account already into TikTok Shop affiliate at 5,000 followers. Real just got another 390,000 view video. Preston just made 2.3K from selling his digital product on TikTok and Instagram. And so many others just getting into shop immediately using AI niches that are just like this, but obviously not the same exact niches. Niches with a similar concept. If you've made it this far in this video and you actually want to implement these things, but you really just need help doing it, I'll have the link in the description to join Creator Labs Premium where you're seeing all these results come from. Inside Creator Labs right now, we have our 30-day challenge going on to where when you join, you start your 30-day challenge. And when you complete the challenge, we literally give you a refund for your entire first month. Yeah, without further ado, make sure you guys like and subscribe and I'll catch you in the next video.